HEMCO, Heavy Equipment Manufacturing Co., is devoted to design, development, and manufacture of high-quality equipment, tools, and accessories for the foundation engineering and drilling industry. Our products include parts and accessories for diaphragm wall cutters and hydraulic rotary drilling rigs, calipars, drilling buckets and augers, casings, DTH hammers, top hammer drill bits and rods, drilling teeth, slurry handling equipment such as descenders and filter press units, grout pumps, cross-hole sonic logging tubes, amongst others. We are continuously striving for improvement of our products and are totally dedicated to providing world-class service to our customers. Because of our passion for quality and our customer-focused approach, HEMCO is fast becoming a world-class manufacturer and supplier for the foundation engineering and drilling industry.